Hallo liebe Leute, my name is Deepak and today is the fourth video of our A1 series. In today's video, we are going to learn the counting. So how do we say the counting in German language? It is called die Zahlen, whereas die is the article and Zahlen is the counting. So let's start. I will say the counting from 0 till 10. You guys have to repeat with me. First is 0. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. Now you will also have to say that again. I'm going to repeat all these counting. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. Now this is the German counting from 0 till 10. I hope you understood the pronunciation correctly. Now we are going to do the counting from 11 till 20. But you need to understand this, like in English, we will say 11 and 12, and after that we have 13, 14, 15, so we have teen till 19, right? Same goes in German, but in a different way. We will just add zehn, which is 10, after 3. So 11 is 11, 12 is 12. Now as you can see, 11 is 11 and 12 is 12. After that we have this teen thing, so we are also going to add zehn. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll say that again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now here you guys have to notice one thing, that with every counting we added same, but with 16 we removed one extra s from sechs. So 6 is sechs, but we are not writing or saying sechs same, we are saying sech same. Same goes with 17. We are not saying sieben same, we are saying sieb same. Now I'm going to say all the counting from 0 till 20. You guys will repeat. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Now that we have learned the counting from 0 till 20, we are going to do the counting even after 20. So in English, we say 21, which is 2 and 1. So we first say 20 and then we say 1. Let's split this thing into two parts in German language and call it prefix and suffix. So in German language, we put the suffix first and then we use und, which is and then we say prefix. So let's suppose if it is 21, we will not say it like 21, we will say 1 and 20. And if it is 23, we will say 3 and 20. In German, we will call it like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Again, I am saying that suffix will come first in German language and prefix will come later, and we will also have to put und between suffix and prefix. Along with that, if you guys are writing, you can also see that there is no gap between prefix, suffix, or und. Again, doesn't matter whether there is one alphabet in counting or 10 alphabets or 20 alphabets. We will not put a single space. Everything should be all together. So let's suppose if we are saying 31, we will say 31, 32, 32, and then 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So you know how to say the counting now, but we should do the T's. Like 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, again not 60, 60, 70 siebzig, not 70, siebzig, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. So a little homework from my side. If you are learning, make sure that you are going to write the whole counting from 0 till 100. So obviously till 30 you can write from the video, but after that you have to write it by yourself till 100. So that is your small homework. Not only that, I would like to say some words that you will have to write it in German, which is 56, you will have to write in German, which is 56, 88, 93, 167, 345, 999, 1543, 1997, 2546. This is your homework. But before you go, let's suppose if you have to write more than that, how will you write? Let's suppose 167. So obviously 100 is called 100 and then 67 is 67. So you will say 167. If 345, that is 345, 345. 999, 999, 999. Well, if I talk about 1543, 1543, 1543, 1997, 1997, 1997. Very last, 2546, which is 2546. I'll say that again. 2546. I think this is all for today.